Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add Facebook Pixel to Shopify. So first you need to create an account on Shopify, and of course you should have your Facebook account here. So once you open Shopify, you can go directly to add apps, that is below points of sales. Go to Shopify App Store, and then you have to locate the search icon or search box and then look for Facebook and Instagram. So all you have to do is to type Facebook and Instagram here. Once it appears, tap, and then what you want to do is to simply click install. So you have to tap Facebook and Instagram and then tap install here. Okay, so once done, what you want to do next is to simply click this add sales channel. Tap this one here. So the next thing to do is you just have to connect your Facebook account and your Instagram account here. So connect an account and make sure that this one is a business account. So once done, click connect. And then here, all you have to do is to pick this maximum, tap save. And that's it. Now we will proceed to creating meta pixel here. So if you have one, you don't need to tap create new, but if you don't have yet, so click create new here. So once done, click confirm. And then you have to tap this I agree to their terms and conditions, and then click submit for review, and this may take up to a minute, so please do not refresh the page. So while waiting, you can open a new tab and then type business.facebook.com/settings/pixels. So this is what it looks like. Now tap this open events manager here and then look for test events. Okay, you can X this one, tap test events here. Now you have to scroll down, and then here you have to enter your website. So let me copy my website first, paste it here. Once done, click open website. And as you can see, I haven't created a site or a store yet. But if you have one, it's okay. All you have to do is to simply edit everything here, manage everything here, and whatever activity you've done on your site, it will appear it right here under overview. Okay, so as you can see, your pixel hasn't received any activity yet. So, but you can see everything here. And then next thing to do is to verify your domain. So if you have your domain, all you have to do is to verify that one. If you don't have yet, then you can proceed to this. Update DNS text record. Verify your domain by adding a new DNS text record to your domain. So I strongly suggest to purchase a legit domain. Now, the Facebook offers numerous methods for validating a business, and if approved, there are numerous advantages. You're asserting control of your domain in Facebook business when you validate it on Facebook. So I'd really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.